Okay, more waves are coming. We get away that way a little bit to get to the outside. And now that you can recognize where it's breaking, I need you to be there. I need you to be there. And make sure you take advantage that you are surfing alone. Today is Saturday, will be more people here soon. So please take advantage of your time. Okay? So get on that area and wait for the first 2 or 3 waves that are coming. I think there are 3. There you go. Good, good. Now practice your reading. When to turn, paddle, close to the phone, to the left. There you go, it's yours, paddle hard. Good try, see? It left you because you didn't paddle from before. Okay, this one no, because it's too small. Try this one. That's for sure. To the right, to the right.